Okay, so we had a little trouble getting the injection lines off. This fitting right here comes out of the injection pump. This one stayed put, this one was loose, and this one's loose. I was able to put a line wrench down over the nut, line it up, and get it set on there, but it would not fit between those two, and this one went in at an angle like that to hold it so that I could unscrew that. So on this one, what I ended up doing was putting my line wrench on right here, and because this lower fitting would turn, I put this screwdriver in like this, and then just held pressure on it, and then pulled this and unscrewed that without turning that bottom nut. Probably not proper use of tools, but when you're out here in the field, which we are out in the field, that's what you had to do to get that loose. And then of course, like I said, we take this off all as an assembly. Let's set it up here. And next thing I'm going to do, I've got this pretty clean for what I could field clean it. I'm going to take these rubber lines off here, and then these injectors are going to unscrew right here. These nuts just come right, just back out, supposed to, on a good day. But let me get that cleaned up and see if I can get them broke loose, and we'll get them pulled out.